In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customers in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to fill in, so your customer records are accurate, organized, and ready for invoicing. First, head over to the left panel and click on Sales. This is where QuickBooks keeps everything related to selling: your invoices, products, and of course, your customer list. Once you're in Sales, select the Customers tab. Here, you'll see a list of all the customers you've already added. It's a great place to quickly scan who's in your system, search for existing records, and avoid creating duplicates. If you notice a name that's close to the one you're about to add, double-check it first to keep your list clean. To add someone new, click the New Customer button at the top right. This opens the Customer Details form. Take your time here. Good data now saves headaches later. Start with the customer's name. If it's a business, use the full legal name. For individual customers, use the name you'll recognize on invoices. Add contact details like email and phone, ensuring they're current and spelled correctly, since this is how your invoices and reminders will reach them. Next, enter their address. If they have separate billing and shipping addresses, make sure each one is entered in the correct field. This helps prevent delivery errors and keeps your records compliant for tax and reporting. Use the Notes field to capture helpful context, such as preferred communication times or internal reminders. You can also attach files, think contracts, proposals, or any relevant documents. Attachments keep everything in one place, so you don't have to dig through emails later. Under Payment Methods, specify how this customer typically pays, whether that's credit card, bank transfer, or other accepted options. If you use terms or standard deposit requirements, set those defaults here to streamline future invoices. Finally, add any additional info such as tax details. If the customer is tax exempt, mark it clearly and include the exemption details. Only include what's necessary for billing and compliance. Avoid sensitive personal information that isn't required. When everything looks good, click Save at the bottom right. QuickBooks will create the record and return you to the customer list, where you'll see your new customer ready to go. From here, you can immediately start invoicing or simply keep building your customer base. That's all there is to it. Clean, complete customer profiles set you up for faster billing, accurate reports, and smoother follow-ups.